welcome back to the channel. Today the Abrams arrived. It's been a while and we're gonna do the unboxing of all the parts, and I will do the repair and the service update, the firmware, the update. So yeah, let's see and let's put it back together. Yeah, that's good. So these broke off during the cutout. So that's good. We have those. There's two of them. Yep. Three covers. That's good. I asked for only the top, but that's fine because then I have no holes for the screws. As you can see, they broke off here. Yes, and this. So yeah, it's good. It's good. And it's a new taillight because it was broken because of the water that gets inside in the corners. I will show you how to fix it at the end of the video. Connection is and it's a new front roll cage. It's time to reveal the Abrams. It's a pain to see it in this condition, but we'll fix it today and hopefully test ride it. I forgot how heavy it was. It's a real piece of a wheel. Can't wait to ride it again. And since I got the Hero, I really miss my Abrams. Let's repair the broken studs on the roll cage to connect the battery casing back on the wheel. It's a fragile piece when you crash it on the front. I will also take a good look at the motor cables, if there is any default or maybe some loose screws or where the Hall sensor connects, but I could not find anything strange, and it was really good sealed up. I will check everything like the batteries and the fuses. Also the motherboard, we will take it out of its case and put it in the new aluminum case. And with the new LCD screen because it was damaged in the cutout. Yeah, everything was well put together, so I hope with the new update problems will be fixed. The motherboard had some cooling paste for the good heat transfer to all the casing. It's something like you use on a CPU and stuff. And the fuses, yeah, they were good. Make sure to put sealant in 4 corners where water gets inside, and your tail light will stop working. Okay, let's test it, and if everything works again, I will go for a little test ride. Yeah, everything seems to work, and I will be testing the wheel running slowly, but it feels so good to be back on the Abrams. Thanks for watching, guys, and feel free to comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever. And as always, ride a lot, guys. Ciao.